A treasure map?
Adventure time!
Adventure time! You pack like an elephant!
And you eat like one!
What if we meet monsters?
We'll make friends or run really fast.
I said balance, not belly flop. And then the monster appeared. Nice dance move, ballerina cat. That was my new style.
I'm not ready to fly!
Hold tight or we'll land in the moon.
Wrong button. At least you packed a parachute. Cat versus brain power.
I think I hit myself harder than the ball! New flavor, cat sundae!
Extra crunchy with mouse sprinkles. This isn't the swimming contest. The fish caught us instead.